Hello, friends. How are you today? I'm wonderful. I hope you are as well. Today, we're going to read Clever Rabbit and the Lion. This book is retold by Susanna Davidson and illustrated by Daniel Howarth. This is animated and read by me, Teacher Penny. It was retold by Susanna Davidson. Susanna is an author who specializes in fiction and nonfiction for children. She lives in a cottage on the edge of the woods. She has written various nonfiction and fiction books. It was illustrated by Daniel Howarth, who started drawing from a very early age and graduated in 1994 with an illustration degree. He's illustrated many children's books. He lives with his wife, 2 children, and beloved dogs, ducks, and chickens in England. Let's get started on this wonderful story. Once upon a time, in a great big jungle, lived a great big lion. He had great big paws and very sharp claws. "I'm the king of the jungle," roared the lion. "Roar! I'm going to eat you all up." "No!" cried the jungle animals. "You're small and weak," said the lion. "You can't stop me." "Don't worry," said Clever Rabbit. "I have a plan." The next day, all the animals hid from the lion. Do you see they're all hiding? "Where are you all?" roared Lion. "I want to eat you." Roar. Do you see they're all hiding in the tree, behind the little hill, in the grass? "Here I am," said Clever Rabbit. "You can eat me." He was really hopping around, wasn't he? "I tried to come before, but a great big lion stopped me." "I'm the only lion in the jungle," roared Lion. "Roar!" "Oh, no, you're not," said Clever Rabbit. "This lion has bigger paws and sharper claws. Show me this other lion. I'll eat him up and then I will eat you." Clever Rabbit led Lion to the deep, wide river. "He lives in there," said Clever Rabbit. Do you see him pointing to where the water is? Lion looked into the water, and another lion looked back. Lion shook his head, and so did the other lion. Lion leaped at the lion in the water and was swept away. "At last," cried Clever Rabbit, "we're safe." The jungle animals came rushing out. Do you see all of them coming out? They feel safe now. "Help!" called Lion. "Save me!" "We can't," said Clever Rabbit. "We're just small and weak." Lion let out one last roar. Roar! And was never seen again. The end. Some of the activities are: which picture is the giraffe? Do you see the giraffe? Is it A, B, C, or D? Which one do you think it is? Which picture is the giraffe? C. Good job. Good job. Which picture is the monkey? Which picture is the monkey? Is it A, B, C, or D? Which picture is the monkey? Which one? Did you guess A? All right, good job. Which picture is the butterfly? Which picture is the butterfly? Is it A, B, C, or D? Which one is it? B! You're so smart! Which picture is the bird? Which picture is the bird? Is it A, B, C, or D? Which picture is the bird? D. Yes, you're right. Which picture is the rabbit? Which picture is the rabbit? Is it A, B, C, or D? Which picture is the rabbit? Which one is it? Good job! It's C. Yes. Which picture is the cat? Which picture is the cat? A, B, C, or D? Did you pick? A. A is the cat. Good. Which picture is the snake? Which picture is the snake? A, B, C, or D? Which one is the snake? B. Good job. B is the snake. Which picture is the squirrel? Which picture is the squirrel? A, B, C, or D? Which picture is the squirrel? This is a little harder. Can you guess which one is the squirrel? D. Yes, good job. Okay, which picture is the bumblebee? Bzz. Which picture is the bumblebee? Is it A, B, C, or D? Which one goes bzz? A, you're right. Good job. That is the bumblebee. Which picture is the deer? Which picture is the deer? A, B, C, or D? Which picture is the deer? Good answer. C is the correct answer. Good job. All right. Well, I hope that you have enjoyed the fun activity we had and you enjoyed the book that we read. And I hope you learned that you have to be nice to people. See, Lion wasn't nice. And then he ended up not being saved when he fell into the water because he was mean to everyone. So be nice to everyone, okay? Be kind, keep laughing, learning, and growing. All right, until next time, my friends. See you later. Bye.